How do you make palm nut soup? Is palm nut soup good? What do palm nut soup taste like? How to make the best Ghana palm nut soup? Welcome to Ama Cooks. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make palm nut soup, Ghanaians delicious palm nut soup. And let's start right now. Today's ingredient that we are going to use for our palm nut soup, Ghanaian palm nut soup, is going to be half teaspoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon fennel seed, 1 tablespoon cloves, 3 little garlic, 2 thumb size ginger. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon garlic salt. I'm going to use this for chopped onions. And the other ingredients I have, I'm also going to use some onions for blending. And then this is also going to be to add some thickness to our soup. So there's going to be tomatoes, onions. We are going to use these onions as a chopped onions. And then we are going to blend this all together. Also, we are going to use 1 Maggie cube. We are going to add a little adobo seasoning to our soup. Also, we'll add a little accent to the soup as well. And I'm also going to use some spinach in our palm nut soup. It's going to be delicious, and this is Ghanaian way. The palm nut cream that we are going to use, this is a concentrate palm nut cream that we use. You can find this in African stores. If you see any of these, they are all good to use. I'm going to use this one for today's palm nut soup. And the meat I'm going to use, I'm using some steamed beef that I already have, and also I'm using smoked pork, combining it. You can use any meat you want. You can use chicken, fish, you can use beef, pork, any meat, your choice. You can use anything you want. Also have tomato paste. This is our seasoning. All together, we are going to blend this. I'm going to add my Maggie. I will add garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of accent, 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning. I'm going to add my chopped onions. And then 4 ounces of tomato paste. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to add my seasoning that I just blend. And now we are going to blend our pepper, tomatoes. Now we just add our pepper and tomato blend. And I'm going to rinse this. Make sure we got everything in here. We don't want to waste anything. We just have this marinade. And then we'll start seasoning. So I just put our seasoning, everything on here. Now we are just going to season the meat and everything in 10 minutes. And then we'll start adding our palm nut cream and then cook it. A little garlic salt to this. We are going to season this. Do not add water to this because the spinach already have a lot of water in there. the best Ghana palm nut soup. This is going to be very delicious. Smells so good. You can't go wrong with palm nut soup at all. You scrape all the sides, put everything in there. This is our delicious Ghana palm nut soup. It's coming along so nicely. And we are going to add our spinach. Add it little by little. Look at our palm nut soup. It's looking good, looking good. Look at all this delicious spinach in here. Very healthy. This is yummy. Look at that. Really good with some rice, with some fufu, some banku, some gari. Delicious, delicious. And then I'm going to add some sliced onions to have some crunchiness, some hot pepper. Alright, so our palm nut soup is ready. It looks delicious, yummy, and I hope you can try this at home. It's really good. Look at the spinach, make it so delicious. You can eat this with banku, fufu, rice, anything. This can go with. Have this anytime. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel, and I hope you like this meal and make your own palm nut soup, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.